In this video, we will learn that how we can export data from Power BI desktop to Excel. So there are two ways. So in the first way, here you can see we have different tables here. So you first need to click the table tab, and here, for example, we have one table like red products, and here you can see the DAX formula. So red products, and if you look here, the color is it is not red, it is different colors here, but we can change this formula. For example, we can write here filter, and the table is products. Then the expression will be color is equal to red. This one, hit enter. So here you can see the color is red, and you can see different columns here. The table that we are copying, the red color products, this is the dynamic table, and we just need to right click and copy table, and then you have to open Excel, and in the first cell right click and paste. So here you can see all the column headers and the available columns until total transaction are here. We can also add one calculated column. So for this we need to click new column, and we can write here like total price is equal to, we can take any two columns like a list price and multiply by total transaction, this one, hit enter. So here you can see we have new column total price, and in the same way we just need to right click copy table, and if we right click here and paste, so here you can see we are also able to get the calculated column as well, the total price. And you can copy any table, or either the calculated table or the normal table. And the other way is we can go to the Power Query editor, and here you can take any um table, for example color sales, um, maybe you can take territory, this one. And for this we have to click here, here you can see one icon, this one, and copy entire table. Again you have to go to the Excel file, delete, and then copy and paste. And here you can see the data from the Power Query editor is also possible to paste in the Excel file. And in the third option you can open the DAX editor, and here you can select one table, for example sales record, this one, run, and here you can see we have three records, the red, black, and blue, and these are the values. So here you can see one option here, output, and we can choose here like Excel static, this one. And what we have to do now, we just need to click run, and you need to give the name of the file like output Excel, and save. If you go to the folder output Excel, and if you open it, and here you can see we have three rows, red, black, blue, and these are the values, right? In this video you have learned that how we have exported data from Power BI desktop, Power Query, and DAX Studio to Excel. So if you like this video, please subscribe our channel, and if you have any question, please write in the comment section. Thank you.